Hey everyone, today I want to showcase the Zeta platform and how it can be used with a AI agent to build features with confidence. So Zeta offers Postgres branches, and that is something that you can use as a developer in your pull requests and ship with confidence. And this property that you can build these branches can also be used by AI agents. So here in this setup, I have a main branch and I have a dev branch, which is, you can think of it as staging or something. And from my dev branch, which is a copy of the main one, I can build further branches. At the same time, agent can do the same. So today I want to showcase this demo where I have a to-do application with the following fields. And what I want to do is I want to add another column called priority that can be high or low. And I will use an AI agent for this. So here is a ticket where I have described the feature that I want to build. So essentially, we want to add a constrained column priority that can only have high and low values. And I can then tell Zeta agent to implement it. And this starts a task. Let's go and see what's happening in the task. So just from this issue, the description and the comments on it currently, it came up with a prompt for itself. Let's see what's happening on this issue. So I go on this pull request. I can see it has no changes right now, but we already have a Zeta preview branch. And if I go back to my console, you can see that this branch actually exists here. And it was able to instantly create this branch from the dev branch. And now the agent is free to actually go and test out the changes here now. So you can see the detailed interactions. It's connected to GitHub, Zeta together, and it can actually make changes, understand the code base, and actually run things. It's also smart enough to be able to change the environment variable. So it saw that there is nothing in the enforce right now, and it was able to detect the branch that is linked to this Git branch that it created, and that's the same name as the Zeta branch. And after setting the environment variable, it will continue and build this feature. And you can see that it's actually running these commands against the Zeta database. So now we can see that it was able to actually make changes to the database, and it has highlighted what it did in the database. All of this is happening in a real sandbox, and it's actually running it as a developer would run it. So now it has actually committed the changes that we wanted it to. It's very important. This is not something AI generated. It ran the relevant ORM, which in this case is Prisma commands, in the sandbox, and Prisma generated it like a normal developer would. And then it has the changes that it wanted to add to the Prisma schema file. So that's how you can make changes confidently. And from here on, from this pull request, you follow your normal development workflow, which is you will have your tests here, and it's just an assistant that gives you code and a lot of control on trying different things out. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you today broadly. I hope you like it.